Hello everyone, happy Wednesday and welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today we got a total of 34 Amazon leads, 30 coming from our online arbitrage leads and then 4 coming from our RA leads. So let's check some of the deals today coming from Beauty Pie. Here you could get a profit of 6.28 with an ROI of 44%. Next is this Japan Fusion that you could get a profit of 4.77 with an ROI of 60%. And lastly, this super luminous under eye brightening corrector with a profit of 15.42 and an ROI of 161%. So three deals coming from Beauty Pie with great profit and ROI. So check out all the rest of our items here that we got for you today. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channels, review giveaways, affiliate and comment bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check them out. Bot operated channel that we got is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A2A flips channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could also sell from the store itself. So check them out. Another one is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. And here is a sample from Argos. We got a lot, so check them out as well. And lastly, our general community and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a week of today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.